Welcome to my vlog. Our time is 6:26. Together with me is my yayo Roger TV. My yayo husband is doing his job. Doing his job as the chef cook for today's video. Today is July 28, Monday at 6:27 in the evening here in the Philippines. So here comes Yayo. Shout out to Ma'am Paula. Ma'am Paula, thank you for sharing your blessing, Ma'am. Shout out to you.
Paula, thank you. Malaking tulong na sa amin yun.
She cannot understand Tagalog.
Can you speak English?
It will helps us a lot, Ma'am Paula. Thank you so much, Ma'am Paula, and as my new members in my YouTube.
Okay.
Also to Sir John, Ma'am Sadi, thank you so much.
Hi, Ma'am Sadi.
Sir JS, Sis Tess, Ma'am Marnit, Sis Ditsay, Ma'am Sally Vival, Boss B, RM, MJ.
Ma'am Sadi, what you call that? This, leaf.
Leaves. That
Like
is
this, your, tangkay.
stem.
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 Yan.
Stem.
This is your leaf.
The leaves of malunggay.
What English malunggay?
I do not know what is the English of malunggay. Maybe Ma'am Sadi is not familiar with this. Ma'am Sadi, this one,
What you call that, Ma'am Sadi?
malunggay leaves, green leafy vegetables in our place. What are you going to mix with the malunggay?
Chicken
Okay.
and
What else?
what you call this, talong.
Eggplant.
Eggplant, yes.
Eggplant.
Sorry. Mahina ako sa math.
Mat pala.
Ah.
Shout out also to Ma'am Jeng, to Sis Shirley Haten, Idol Matancero, Idol Ceramics TV, Matt Boucher. Who else joined me yesterday? Sir Ebong. Shout out. E-Flex.
Bisaya.
Ma'am Ibe. Ma'am Ibe, maraming salamat Ma'am Ibe sa pasugod Ma'am Ibe. God bless. Bawi ako Ma'am Ibe bukas or sa ano.
May pasok ka bukas.
May pasok pala ako guys bukas. Ang pasok ko dito, alis po ako ng alas 4:45 or maybe 4:30. Sana maka 4:30 para di ako late.
Okay na guys, tapos na. Yes.
Okay, for today's vlog continuation, ang ating chef po ay nag-saute na ng bawang at sibuyas. My favorite. Nagulit ko lang po yung sibuyas guys. Kainin. Dati ayaw ko pong kumain ng sibuyas eh. Pero nung kasagsagan ng anong year ba yung time? Nawalan po kami pareho niyaya ng trabaho. Shoutout dun sa
Ulam namin ay sibuyas.
shoutout dun sa best friend niyang si Yad sa Mindoro. Dahil marami silang sibuyas noon. Nag-adobo po siya ng purong sibuyas lahat. Tapos nilagyan lang ng konting tabaan tayo. Doon ko naranasan na kumain ng sibuyas. Kasi dati ayaw. Pinipili ko po lahat kapag adobo yan. Tinatanggal ko po lahat. Bawang man o sibuyas. Pero kailangan lang talaga.
Galing naman pinipili dito. Sibuyas na kay.
Pero kailangan lang talaga after mo kumain yan. Kailangan mag-toothbrush ka. Gawa ng iba ang talaga sa bibig. Okay na. Next.
Wala pa, hindi pa na brown.
What's next?
Hindi na brown. Hindi manok.
The chicken. You
Kung
put
pala na ano
some
ng asin yun.
asin. You put some salt.
Hindi. Dapat yung bakit. Kanina pa
Ayan na. Okay. Magic.
Kaya, dikit yan. Kaya pakatasin mo natin yung nagkaroon na ng katasukan ng sariling manok. Nagkaroon ng katasukan sa sariling tubig niya. Para sisipsip yung pinakakatas yung sarili niya.
Okay, sunod ay seasoning. Seasoning. So that it will make
Matanggal. Okay.
yummy. It will be yummy. Sir John! Shout out Sir John. Sis Marie! Shout out also to Sis Marie, guys. Thank you, Sis Marie, sa super chat na nakarang araw. And also to Iflex for my newest subscriber. Always newest member in my YouTube channel. That's it. Also to Lalabs Kisay. Thank you, Lalabs Kisay. And most especially to Ma'am Paula and Ma'am Shadi. Ma'am Paula. And shout out also to Sir Cisco. Sir Cisco International for playing my playlist. Thank you so much, Sir Cisco and Ma'am Jane. And shout out also to Ma'am Lelia and Kuya Pogi. Kasalukuyan po silang nasa Pilipinas para sa kanilang bakasyon. Ayun.
Hindi sila?
So, ayan ang aming gulay. Lahat ng niyayo. Then, lalagyan na ng tatakpan mo na. Okay, the finished product is here. With malunggay.
Tikmi. Tigay para.
Okay. Chicken with sayote, carrots, cabbage, bell pepper, and the malunggay leaves. That is our all for today's video. Here is the sayote. This one is my favorite, the carrots. Then the siling haba. Uy, hindi matinanggalan ng tangkay ng asawa ko. Okay. Okay. The taste is good. Thank you, my hubby, Yayo Roger TV. That's it. Until here, guys. Sana po panoorin nyo mula umpisa hanggang dulo.
Ito na, hindi pa luto.
Please don't skip ads for my revenue. Hanggang sa hamnida. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless and stay safe po tayo. Bye-bye and God bless. Amen.